Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, we'll need to shut it down, so hold power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. And when you see the Poco logo on the screen, like so, you can let go of the keys and wait for the recovery mode to show up. From here, using volume keys to navigate, you want to scroll down to select safe mode and confirm it with power key. This will now initiate a reboot into safe mode. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, we are in safe mode, which you can see right over here. So in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have installed yourself or was some of the apps that also come sometimes installed will not work. And in here, it looks like, okay, got it. It looks like we don't actually have any apps that will not work, which is quite weird considering some of them should not work, like themes. It's not an Android native application, it's Xiaomi application. So this safe mode here is a little bit gimped and kind of defeats the purpose of it here. Now, maybe not defeats, but if you have some problem with Xiaomi applications, this will not help you. Now, if you have any problem with other apps that you might have installed yourself, some sketchy ones that were causing you problems, they should be not working right now. But by default, safe mode should only disable apps that aren't native to Android, or at least the typical default Android. Plus, I guess with some exceptions. Here we have a bunch of garbage that just functions normally. Now, but normally you can differentiate the apps that will not work because they are monochrome. I don't have any app here that will not work. As you can see, all of them are just looking normal colored applications, but if you see some apps that are just grayed out, like this grayish monochrome color, those apps are basically the ones that won't run here. Now anyway, once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you need to do is hold your power key and select reboot, which will take you back to Android. Or, well, technically we are in Android, but take you back to the normal mode. So anyway, that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.